Here comes the Dola Re Dola poster, a very colorful thing, as I said in the introduction. So we'll be having this 10 days will be
Yes, sir, look here.
along with the tradition will be having Dandiya Mahotsavlo, and the main thing is Dandiya. So without Dandiya, we can't imagine.
So on this event, on behalf of Mukha Projects, I would like to welcome you all for this Dola Re Dola event in Sanjay Convention from 3rd October to 24th to 12th October 2024. So we are acting as a presenting partner. So we are happy to be a part of this occasion. So we are delighted to host this 10 days fest. Everyone together celebrating festival of Batukamma and Dandiya Navaratri event. So let's celebrate this event and make this a success. Thank you.
We always become a communal living. We do a lot of big community projects, and we want each and every member of our family, our societies to join and make this event successful. As a part of this, we are requesting everybody to join this along with the entire Kodipura Chettigara team also and other outside members also, and make this event very grand successful. Thank you.
Other dignitaries present here. This Dasara, which is about to start from 3rd of October till 12th of October, we, Sandhya Convention, with our esteemed presenting sponsors, Mukha Projects, and our beverage sponsors as Coca-Cola, we are conducting the most traditional and the most entertaining event, which has number of events. Starting from Durga Puja, we are following Durga Puja on every day, usually on the 9 days at the daytime. And this venue is open all through the day. It is free of entry for shopping and food festivities from morning to night. And now the second most important event here is Dandiya, which is from evening 7 o'clock and it's till 11:45 p.m. at the night, where we have every day we have a new DJ walking into it and presenting their way of music and making you dance. So we have now with me, I have 3 celebrity DJs, Mr. Kim, Mr. Jeevan here, and just closer. So these 3 are from Hyderabad. Apart from Hyderabad, we have other DJs coming from Maharashtra. Lots of good food, lots of shopping, and lots of entertainment. So I'm very happy to present it and wishing everyone to see you dancing all around.
For last 10 years, we are doing all the good shows around the sun. So we are using best technology, best sound, best visuals, and above all, we have the best DJs, as she has already said. That we have DJs from Mumbai, Pune, and also a very good Gujarati band, and also a very good DJ lineup from Hyderabad. Apart from that, we are actually trying to attract other crowd like Maharashtrians and Gujaratis also. We are expecting that all these kind of people come in and enjoy the show.
This special occasion, and I would like to thank you, Shrikant sir from Kodipura Chettigara sir. Thank you so much. We have been discussing this over for almost from July onwards, when Ashok first called me up and said we would like to collaborate with you and start working together once again for this Dandiya event. And I recollect the last year when I performed over here in the same hall, the last day of Dandiya, the 10th day of Dandiya, we had around 2,800 plus people in the same hall where we are sitting. So I'm expecting the same kind of response for this year as well. It is a great opportunity for me to come back here. We would love to invite your family members, your kids. We have a lot of entertainments happening. The 10 days of Dandiya magic is happening here. Great musicians over here. We have lovely DJs from Hyderabad and from abroad, from India as well. So we would request you to please come forward, request your friends, families, your children, and this would be a great occasion to celebrate together. Thank you so much.
Everyone who are joining us tonight. Well, as Kim already said, this year could be happening as comparing with the last year. At the same time, this year we have the other state DJs who are coming up. That will be a bit add-on, that will be a change of music every day, and love to see you people soon.
I would like to thank each and everyone for coming over here and guesting this event. This is me, DJ Kosa from Hyderabad, and I'm going to perform on 10th October at this pretty and huge venue Sandhya Convention, and the event is called as Dola Re Dola Mega Fest. So, well, it's a event which is a blend of rituals, dance and fun. So I would like, I'm looking forward to see each and everyone along with your family, friends and relatives and also kids to come and have lots of fun in this event. Well, I'm performing on 10th October, so I would like to see everybody on that day. And for this, I have already prepared the best of the best music set, which includes all the Bollywood, Tollywood and also Punjabi, Garba music. And it's going to be ultimately amazing. I wish to see everybody in their best of the best Dandiya attire on that day. And we're going to really rock this event. Thank you so very much, everybody.
आणि संधीचा फायदा घ्या आणि प्रत्येक मुंबईची जी मुलगी आहे मेघा शी इज अ प्रॉपर महाराष्ट्र आणि तुम्हाला एकदा मराठी गाणं पण आपण गाऊ आय रिक्वेस्ट एव्हरीबडी टू कम अँड एन्जॉय